LX revives the early 2000s Trunner series, mixing its eccentric DNA with updated sneaker design. Drawing inspiration from the Trunner LX, it features a sleeker build, refined closure, and tech runner accents. A striking jet black DPU cage wraps the shoe, contrasted by hot pink mesh and a muted midsole for balance. Initially teased by Vashti Aliyah Usry, Jumpman women's product line manager, the pair channels the growing runner or trainer culture while keeping the Trunner's unconventional spirit intact. Its bold pink tones sync with current fashion cycles, reinforcing Jordan brand's playful yet performance-driven identity. Slated for fall or winter 2025 at $115, the Trunner OS promises both nostalgia and modern flair. This release signals not just a comeback but a redefinition, merging archival heritage with streetwear relevance for today's sneaker scene, ensuring the Trunner name lives on in a fresh, vibrant era.